Hey, what's up everybody? It's Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. And I put 4 magnets in this lopsided 13 just to make it run real quick, and it's running like a charm. It is flopping as you can see, but it looks really good. Oh, something just happened. There we go. We fell out of the... Yeah, but the 4 magnets in there is enough to make it work. I'm making another one though, 10 inches. This is a 9-inch disc, so the center hole's off, but 10 inches, and the center hole should be right dead in the center. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a good day.